Introducing the 2026 MINI Convertible, where iconic style meets open-air excitement. Get ready to experience a thrilling drive with the top down and the wind in your hair. Performance control enhances handling, while active pedestrian safety keeps you aware and secure. Enjoy the thrill of driving with confidence in every twist and turn. Step inside to front sport seats that hug you in comfort and a John Cooper Works leather steering wheel for a sporty touch. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 MINI Convertible. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.